Changdu, Sichuan, August 16, 2025. On the afternoon of August 16, 2025, Changdu, the capital of Sichuan province, was struck by a powerful rainstorm that led to widespread flooding, traffic chaos, and emergency rescue operations. Between 2 p.m. and 5:01 p.m., intense rainfall pounded several districts of the city, including Qingyang, Chunhua, and Jinyu. According to meteorological data, 9 monitoring stations recorded extremely heavy rain, while 42 stations reported heavy rainfall. The heaviest was observed at People's Park, which received a staggering 171.7 millimeters of rain in just a few hours. The rain coincided with the city's afternoon rush hour, causing severe traffic disruptions. Videos shared by residents showed cars partially submerged with water levels reaching up to the windows. Many roads were inundated to waist level, making pedestrian movement dangerous and forcing vehicles to slow down or stall completely. In some areas, floodwater entered subway stations and seeped into the underground tracks, sparking concern over the city's drainage capacity and public transport resilience. At 5:10 p.m., the Changdu Meteorological Observatory escalated the orange heavy rain warning to a red alert, the highest level, due to the intensity and speed of rainfall. Officials warned that 7 districts, including the high-tech South District, could see rainfall exceeding 100 millimeters in just 3 hours or over 70 millimeters per hour. As the sky darkened and visibility dropped, high-rise buildings were partially obscured by low clouds, and wind-driven rain battered the city. Emergency workers were seen opening manhole covers in an attempt to accelerate drainage. Meanwhile, Changdu authorities quickly launched a Level 3 emergency response for flood control. The city had preemptively begun preparations on the evening of August 14th, deploying 24 rescue teams totaling 240 personnel at the municipal level and an additional 43 teams with 485 members across districts and counties. These teams maintained 24-hour readiness, ensuring rapid coordination with townships, neighborhood offices, and local emergency units. Zhou Wei, the chief forecaster at the Sichuan Meteorological Observatory, noted that this was part of a larger weather system affecting the entire Sichuan basin from August 14th to August 18th. He warned of continuous high-intensity rainfall with overlapping affected areas, raising the risk of floods, mountain torrents, and landslides in small to mid-sized rivers and hilly regions. The western basin and eastern edge of the western Sichuan plateau are of particular concern due to the combined rainfall accumulation and runoff pressure. The flood highlighted ongoing challenges in Changdu's urban planning and infrastructure. Despite recent efforts to modernize drainage systems, the city's rapid urbanization has outpaced flood mitigation upgrades. As paved surfaces increase and green areas decline, rainwater absorption is reduced, leading to more frequent urban waterlogging during extreme weather events. Authorities emphasize the need for public awareness, urging residents in low-lying and mountainous areas to stay alert and follow safety instructions. Residents have also called for earlier warning systems, better traffic management during storms, and stronger infrastructure improvements to withstand such extreme weather. Changdu's experience mirrors broader concerns across China, where climate change is contributing to more frequent and intense rainfall events. As heavy rains continue across much of southwestern China this summer, cities must urgently invest in sustainable and adaptive infrastructure to protect lives, homes, and economies from future flooding disasters. As we witness the devastating impact of these natural disasters across China, let us not forget the resilience of the people affected and the urgent need to bring their stories to light. If this report moved you, please support our work by liking the video and leaving a comment. It truly helps us continue covering these important events. Stay safe wherever you are. And if there's a natural disaster in your area or one you believe the world needs to see, let us know in the comments. We're committed to telling the stories that matter. Thank you for watching and standing with us. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear recording. Note: some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.